Welcome, today I'm part of XIAOMI Redmi 10C and I'll show you all of the box accessories with which our device comes. So first, let's show our XIAOMI Redmi 10C device. In our case, it's in the blue color, ocean blue, so good color. The next thing that we can see, that's the SIM jack tool here. And inside of this paper box we have here the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card. And also the next thing is the USB-C cable, the new one in white color, and also the original Xiaomi charger brick with all of the specs here also in white color. So that's it, there are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.